Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Young Roots, where we are learning how to read, write and learn our spellings. We are learning how to read and write with the help of phonic sounds, right? Today, as you can see, we are going to do the letter Y. What sound does it make? Yeah, right. Come on, say with me. Yeah, right. We've done this on our previous video. Do you remember the action? We hold something and you eat like this and you say, yeah. Yes, we've done a story, we've done a rhyme, and we've also done various worksheet for the letter Y, which makes the yeah sound, right? You know the vowels A, E, I, O, U or Y. Yes, why do we take Y also sometimes in vowels? You know, because Y is a consonant, but it is a vowel helper. Yes, it helps the vowels. Okay, sometimes it makes the long vowel I sound. Now you don't tell me, you all are asking me what is short and long vowels. We have done that also in a previous video. Short and long vowel sounds. Yes. So this Y is a vowel helper which makes a different sound when it's in the beginning. It makes the consonant Y sound, but it also sometimes makes the long I sound when it's in the end. It also makes the long E sound when it is in the end. That we are going to see ahead. So the first one is the consonant Y, which makes the Y sound. Yellow, yak, and over here it is the two-syllable word. Lay, layer. So the Y will come, the consonant Y will come in the beginning of the word or in the second syllable starting word. Okay, so these are your syllables which will come in the second word Y sound. So now we will start with the long I sound where the Y makes the long I sound. Okay, so by. I am going by this road. Sky, fly, cry, spy, why, my. So these are these where the long I sound will come at the end of the word. Okay, so this will come at the end of the word. But when you see the long E sound will have multiple vowels in it, or it will have multiple syllables and it will come at the end of the syllable. So for example, crazy, E, it has two syllables, so it will come at the end, and it also has a vowel A. Okay, happy, sunny, puppy, rainy, windy, daisy. Okay, so this was the long E where the Y makes the long E sound. So you understood why we say Y as a vowel helper? Because it helps. But as you can't put you can't say the Y sound, so it says the long I sound. So it's a helper. The Y is a helper of a vowel. Now short I, which makes the E sound. It is J, E, M, gym. S, E, M, B, O, symbol. Okay, so it will come in the middle with the short I sound, that is the E sound, right? So you've understood the Y is a helper of a vowel, or it has a crazy Y which makes the long I sound, makes the long E sound, and short I sound, that is the E sound. Okay, if you want more words like this, comment yes in the comment section. I will give you a list of the words which will help you to practice more and more the letter Y and its sounds in different words. Keep practicing this letter so that the kids will get confident while writing their dictation. Thank you. Bye.